Have you ever wondered how social media has transformed the way we connect and share our stories? In a world where our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology, there's one feature that has taken the social media landscape by storm: Threads by Instagram. It's time to unravel the mysteries of this revolutionary tool that has redefined the way we communicate and forge connections. Join us on a captivating journey as we dive deep into the realms of Threads, unveiling its power, its impact, and the social connection revolution it has sparked. Are you ready to explore the dynamic world of Threads by Instagram? What are Threads? At its core, Threads is an app designed to foster private and intimate connections among close friends and family members. Created by Instagram, Threads allows users to share moments, stories, and experiences within a smaller, more trusted circle. It serves as a companion to Instagram, focusing on real-time updates and enabling users to maintain closer connections with their inner circle. Getting started with Threads. To begin your Threads journey, start by downloading the app from your respective app store. Once installed, you can log in using your Instagram credentials or create a new account. Threads offers seamless integration with Instagram, automatically syncing your close friends list from the parent platform. You can customize your privacy settings, allowing you to control who sees your updates and who can interact with you on Threads. Home screen and status updates. Upon opening Threads, you are greeted with a home screen displaying the status updates of your close friends. These updates are real-time glimpses into their daily lives, creating a sense of ongoing connection. You can also share your own status updates, photos, videos, and captions, keeping your inner circle up to date with your adventures. Auto status. One unique feature of Threads is auto status, which allows you to automatically share your current status with your chosen contacts based on location or activity. This helps your friends know what you're up to without the need for constant manual updates. Messaging and chat threads. Threads provide a convenient and secure messaging platform exclusively for your close friends. You can engage in one-on-one or group conversations, share photos, videos, and even respond to status updates directly through the chat threads. It's a private space to connect and share in a more intimate way. The benefits of using Threads. Enhanced privacy and security. Threads emphasize privacy by enabling you to share updates only with your trusted inner circle. This ensures that your personal moments and stories are seen by those you truly want to share them with. Additionally, Threads uses end-to-end encryption for its messaging features, ensuring that your conversations remain secure and protected. Real-time connection. With Threads, you can stay connected with your close friends in real time, receiving instant updates and sharing your own moments effortlessly. The app focuses on creating a sense of presence and intimacy, enhancing your connections beyond what traditional social media platforms offer. Streamline content consumption. By narrowing down your interactions to a select group of close friends, Threads allows you to declutter your social media experience. You can focus on meaningful updates from your inner circle, reducing information overload and enhancing the quality of your social interactions. Threads by Instagram have emerged as a powerful tool for building and nurturing closer connections within our social networks. With its focus on real-time updates, privacy, and intimate sharing, Threads offers a refreshing alternative to traditional social media platforms. Whether it's staying up to date with your closest friends or sharing your own moments, Threads provides a seamless and secure environment to foster deeper connections. So, why wait? Join the Threads revolution and redefine the way you connect and share with your inner circle.